Solve the equation with symmetric coefficients. Check x equals 0. Substitute x equals 0 into the equation. We get 1 equals 0, which is incorrect. Therefore, x equals 0 is not a solution to the equation. Divide both sides by x squared. Since x does not equal 0, we can divide both sides of the equation by x squared. Rearrange the terms to group the terms with symmetric coefficients. Let t be the substitute for substituting this into the equation, which simplifies to solve the quadratic equation. The quadratic equation obtained in the previous step is factorizing. Thus, the solutions for t are with t equals -1 substituted into equation x, because delta is negative so the equation has no solution. With t equals -2 substitute into equation x. Solve the equation with unknown x to get double solution.